Hello, my dear children. Good morning to all. So far, we discussed the introduction to Python, how to install Python, how to work with the interactive mode in Python. In this module, you people are going to learn new thing, that is Python programming in script mode. How to work with Python script mode? Let me ask a question. What is a script? It is a collection of organized instructions written by a programmer using a programming language. Script means program. Programs are collection of organized instructions. My dear children, organized instruction, that means instruction having a particular format, that is called organized. So all these instructions must have format. That format is known as syntax. So if we want to be a programmer, we need to know the formats of instructions at first. Whatever the programming you are studying, we need to know the program format or the instruction format, that is called syntaxes. Using script, a programmer can give one or more instructions at a time. But whereas while we are studying about interactive mode, we can only give one instruction at a time. But using script, programmer can give one or more instruction at a time. Working in script mode, Python IDLE. I had already informed what is IDLE. That is Integrated Development, Linked and Embedded. The script mode, multiple commands can be saved in a file as a program, and we can execute the entire program at a stretch. We type Python program in a file and then use the interpreter, that the language processor, to execute the content from the file. Working in interactive mode is convenient for beginners as you are. For testing small piece of code, as we can test them immediately. But for coding more than few lines, we should always save our code so that we may modify and reuse the code again and again. So that we need to use script if we want to enter more lines in a program. We need to use script mode only. How to create a script or a program or a module in Python? First, you need to go for Start button, then All Programs, then Python IDE, then choose New, then within that you will get a new window for adding the script. In new window, type the commands you want to save the program. For example, print hello world. It is just a simple example. Then after entering all the instructions within that file, you need to save that file using .py extension, .py extension. So the compiler can understand which sort of file it is. Then after saving, you can execute the file for getting the output. My dear children, once again I am repeating how to take the script mode in Python IDLE. First of all, you need to click on Start button, All Programs, then search for Python version, Python 3.7. Click on the menu Python IDLE. You will get a screen like this. Then click on the File menu, then New Window. So you will get a screen like this. Within that you will have the options like File, Edit, Format, Run, Options, Windows, Help. So this slide indicates the steps to create a program file. As I said earlier, start button, all programs, Python version IDLE. Now click on file, then new, then type the code or type the script or type the program. Then click on the file again, select the option called as save, then save your file with the extension .py. You can give your own name for programming. Then after saving, you just execute the program by clicking run menu, then click on run module, or else you can click F5. F5 is the functional key to run or execute any program in Python IDLE. So here I am giving a simple example. A equal to 9, B equal to 8, C equal to A plus B. Print first number A, print second number B, print sum of A and B, that is C. This is a small piece of code which I had entered in script mode. After entering all these code in that particular notepad, then you need to save the file with the extension .py. Then click on the run and select the run module, or you can click F5. So you will get the output like this. I'll repeat again. You first click or write the program in the script mode, then save it with the extension .py, then click on the run mode or F5 for execution. After execution, the output will be visible in your interactive mode. My dear children, I think you are all clear about how to work with the script mode. Thank you.